to Lizzy's Life Hacks. Happy Thanksgiving week. I hope you're having a good week. And I hope you're not stressing out over Thanksgiving because maybe you have to cook the whole meal. Usually you bring a side dish, and yeah, I'm talking just about myself. So thinking about Thanksgiving, I sometimes buy a lot of spices that I don't normally buy on Thanksgiving. So I was working on my spice hack and I thought, oh my God, I haven't shared this with anyone yet. So this is a great money saving secret. So when you buy spices like this in jars, and sometimes you have to, but they are usually anywhere from $5 to $20 for just a jar of spices. So girl, really? I mean, I get it. They got to make money, but come on. So I discovered this several years ago. This is like amazing. So in every grocery store, there is this little rack, and it's usually like at the end of an aisle, like over to the side, and it's just about like that big. And it has these little bags, okay? This el guapo, which I totally, so you're gonna make fun of me the way I say that, but anyway. It's like a little Mexican spice little rack. So this is where you can get spices for like $1, $2. I think the most I've seen one there is $2.99 because the prices have gone up over the years. But so you can't, it's not just about getting paprika. So I have oregano and obviously chili powder and cumin and those things. But look what I found here for my turkey, like in my baking. They even had star anise, which when I went and picked up the jar was about $10 for about 6 of these. And look how many are in there. And then even cinnamon sticks and cloves. So hey, so next time you go to your normal grocery store, take a second, look around, try to find these little bags because they will save you so much money on your spices. Here's another little tip. So once you open the bag, don't leave the bags around. Take some of these old jars, or even take like some little, some small little jam jars, and label them and put your spices in there once you've opened it. Okay, so have an amazing Thanksgiving. Hope it's amazing. Hope that you cook amazing things that taste delicious, and I am thankful for you. So have a great day, and thanks for watching.